How to fix broken images error in WordPress. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel to receive the latest updates. Today's tutorial will be on how to fix broken images error in WordPress. There may be a conflict between a theme and a plugin causing this issue. Please perform a conflict test and see if it resolves the issue. Identifying this effectively requires the following steps. On your desktop, right-click on the error image and inspect. All plugins except WooCommerce should be disabled. Change your theme or upload a new theme. Following the conflict test, if you don't see the same problem after deactivating the plugins and/or themes, then the problem is with your deactivated plugins and/or themes. The best way to determine which plugin is causing the issue is to test each plugin one at a time until you identify the culprit. We found out our WooCommerce version installed is 3.2.2. And this is caused by a plugin not being updated or a theme. WooCommerce migrate is installed, version 3.3.2. Watch the video till the end. Once you have followed all of our steps, you will be able to resolve the issue or error. If it persists, ask your host provider for changes. How to fix broken images error in WordPress. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this detailed walkthrough. We hope you will share it with your social networks. This way, other interested users can benefit from it as well. Please hit the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel to receive the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the following video.